Welcome to my YouTube channel Maths by Arkeshwar. Now we have to solve exercise 9.1 question number 8. Question is given that a statue 1.6 meter tall stand on the top of a pedestal from a point on the ground. The angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. Solve. Let me suppose AB is the pedestal and AC is the statue, which is 1.6 meter tall. Now this is H meter. Height of the pedestal is H meter, and it is the point on the ground which is the elevation angle between top of the statue and point is 60 degree. This is the point and statue is equal to 60 degree, and the elevation angle between the top of the pedestal and point is 45 degree. This will be 45. Let me suppose the distance will be x meter. D, this is the point the D. Clear? Now let AB is the height of pedestal and AC is the height of statue, and BD is the distance between point and base of the pedestal. Clear? Now in right angle triangle, ABD, this is equal to 45. We have to find the relationship between P and B. This will be tan. So tan 45 degree is equal to P by B. That means equal to H upon X. 1 by 1 is equal to H upon X. Here X is equal to H meter. Equation first. Now in triangle CBD, in right angle triangle CBD, we have to find the relationship between this H plus 1.6 meter and X. So it will be tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to H, that means P, H plus 1.6 upon b, that means x. It will be tan 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Tan 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2 is equal to h plus 1.6 upon x. This will be cross multiplication, so it will be root 3x is equal to h plus 1.6. We have to x is equal to h, so we put x from equation 1. Put x is equal to h, so root 3h is equal to h plus 1.6. Root 3h minus h is equal to 1.6. Root 3 minus 1, this will be h common, and root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. h is equal to 1.6 upon root 3 minus 1. h is equal to, this will be rationalization and becomes 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus, so plus 1. It will be becomes 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 upon, this will be root 3 square minus 1 square, that means root 3 square minus 1 square. It will be 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1. 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 upon 2. h is equal to 2 1 ja 2, 0.8. That means 0.8 root 3 plus 1 meter height of the pedestal. So the height of pedestal will be 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meter. Clear? Now we have to solve next question, question number 9. Question number 9 is given that the angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. First we draw a right angle triangle from the given information. The angle of elevation of the top of a building, let me suppose CD is a building and AB is the tower. From the foot of the tower is 30 degree. The angle of elevation of the top of building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. That means this will be 30 degree. This is ground level, so it will be 30 degree. Next, and the angle of the elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building. That means this will be equal to 60 degree. Let me suppose this will be equal to this. Now, if the tower is 50 meter height, let this is given that this is 50 meter height. Let me suppose the height of the building be h. So it will be h meter. This will be 50 minus h. 50 minus h. Clear? Now, in a right angle triangle ABD, ABD, tan 60 degree is equal to P by B. That means 50 upon this will be x meter. Tan 60 is equal to root 3 upon 1 is equal to 50 upon x. X root 3 is equal to 50. Now, x is equal to 50 upon root 3. This will be equation number first. Again, in a right angle triangle CDB, in a right angle triangle CDB, this will be 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equal to P by B. Tan 30, that means 1 by root 3 is equal to P is equal to H, B is equal to X. X is equal to H root 3. Now, we put X, the value of X, this is equation number second. From equation first, put X is equal to 50 upon root 3 in equation second. 50 upon root 3 is equal to H root 3. 50 is equal to H root 3 multiply root 3. 50 is equal to 3H. H is equal to 50 upon 3. So, the height of building is 50 upon 3 meter or 16.66 meter. Thanks for watching video. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.